and good morning once again from our beautiful bromeliad and Tillandsia garden here in the south of Spain. In one of our previous videos we already talked a little bit about the topic Tillandsias, and also we were talking a little bit about the basics of Tillandsia Care. In this video today I would like to go deeper into Tillandsia special care, how to care for them perfectly right. If you want to cultivate any plant, it doesn't matter if it's a Tillandsia or a cacti or an orchid, it is important for you to know a little bit about where do these plants come from in nature. This gives you quite a good picture of how to care for them. In the case of the Tillandsia, where they come from is the southern parts of the United States down to South Argentina. So they basically come from tropical and subtropical countries all over North, Central and South America. So what is important to know about where they come from? In the areas where they occur, you have high air humidity, temperatures above 10 degrees and also bright sun exposure. So what does that mean for Tillandsias? That means that you need to provide for your Tillandsias a spot with bright light exposure and elevated air humidity if you can, and temperatures above 10 degrees, especially in winter. Nevertheless, your Tillandsias will resist temperatures lower than that for a short period of time. The best places to achieve these, let's say, perfect conditions is in your garden, your patio, your greenhouse or your winter garden. But of course you can also cultivate them indoors in your own home, close to the window, to assure good light. The air humidity is also an important factor of Tillandsia growth, but due to their capacity of high adaptation, it is possible to replace high humidity by spraying them more frequently. The other very important part of Tillandsia cultivation is the fact that Tillandsias are epiphytes. And epiphytes, as we already learned in previous videos, don't have their root system to absorb water from the soil like other plants do. Their roots are there to attach the plant to other plants or stones, to be closer to the sunlight. What does it mean for you caring for Tillandsias? That means that Tillandsias get their water only from rain, fog or mist. So you have to provide water exclusively by wetting the leaves. The little hairs they have on their leaf, called trichomes, these little hair absorb the water via the leaves. It is important to know what kind of air Tillandsia do you have. If you have greener ones or whiter ones. This is important because the whiter Tillandsia, the more sunlight it enjoys, and the greener the air Tillandsia is, the more shadow it needs and also the more humidity. The best water to be used for Tillandsias is soft rainwater. But spraying Tillandsias, of course you also have to pay attention to the temperatures. During summer, for example, and cultivating your Tillandsias in a cooler spot, then it is enough to spray them 2 to 3 times a week. But if you have them in a very sunny and hot spot, then you have to water them much more frequently. In the case of a severely dried out plant, the best thing to do is to submerge the whole plant in water all night long. This will make that the plant the next morning comes out just nicely. I think you have a good idea right now how to care for Tillandsias and I hope that you enjoy your Tillandsias applying these little easy rules. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.